Let's save this little dude. I'm trying to get him out. Hopefully he don't claw the heck out of me. I got you, buddy. Sweet. Cool little turtle. See if I can focus on him a little better. How you doing, guy?
That's what I did last time I was here.
Slip rig. Let's go ahead and get this guy somewhere where we can let him go. Maybe he won't get stuck in the rocks real bad. Take him down here a little bit. Here you go, buddy. Have a good day. Peace out. What's up, guys? Jam the Man here. We're back out. You guys might recognize this place from my very first micro fishing video. I'm going to try to catch some bass. I've got some really cool setups to show you. So I got some rods from Save More, and they're really sweet, cheap rods. Let me show you guys real quick. So we got this old combo, Pro AM Shakespeare Series 2030, gear ratio 3.1 to 1. It's a little ice/brush rod or whatever. We're going to try to throw this. We're going to throw crappie jigs and maggots probably on that. Then we got the whole 4.5 foot setup, the 30-pound braid, 8-pound test diameter. And we're going to throw a crawl, see if we can get on some fish over here. Okay, let's do this. Texas rig crawl. Fish on. Oh, he got off, bro. Damn. I should have had my hook more exposed. And a little bit more drag, or a little less drag, I mean. Freaking lost the first fish of the day.
I'm gonna warn you, turtle.
See if they're just sitting right over here. Dude, I thought the craws were just gonna do it. Come on, man. Dang. Are you guys seeing that? Oh my gosh. What was that about? Let's break out the old micro rod. 3-foot brush/ice rod. First cast on it wasn't bad. Let me tell you, that was pretty okay. Oh yeah, I forgot, left-handed. This is gonna be so weird. I'm like not coordinated with my left hand. This is different, man. Put a different presentation on. Alright, here we go. We're heading back down to our spot where we still haven't caught a fish on the vintage micro rod. This is becoming a real freaking challenge. It's just so hard to set the hook. You can't just pick your slack up real quick with this. 3-to-1 ratio. Oh, he went after it on the top, man. That was crazy. It's hard to set the hook with this. So hard. It doesn't even reel this up good, dude. Like, oh my God, that was hard. Chunker bluegill, yeah.
We doubled up, Brian.
Doubled up. Dude, mine looks better. Look at that. Mine is bronze, bro. Bronze. What you doing to that there fish, John?
They got really strong up the jaw. Well, I mean,
bluegill, yes. On the freaking vintage rod. Yes. Wow, look at that, guys. That would be some sick ass bait. So this is the crawdad that I just picked up in this area. And so that's what these crawdads are looking like right now. They're kind of reddish, so I guess it probably maybe just molted. They might be having another spawn before winter comes or something. So they got some red spots, kind of brownish, darkish color, bluish on the bottom. That's a really pretty crawdad. All right, you guys. Well, we just got in fishing Gates. Got absolutely skunked. I went to Spillway and I threw there quite a bit. Hooked up on some fish, same as I did at Gates. Lost all those fish, every single one of them. I don't know what was going on there, but I did catch one on the micro setup, the vintage micro reel, rod and reel combo. So we're gonna try and hopefully put that in the video. I guess see you guys later. Jam the man out.